Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make some very simple but very fast legs. So let's not waste any time and get straight into it. So first of all, I'm just going to plop down a armored seat like that. And I'm going to get some gyro stabilizers on all axes like that. And I'm just going to set them to 7.5 so we don't fall over, obviously. These legs actually, very surprisingly, only have one servo in them, which is impressive, I think, in my opinion. I'm just going to add a gyro here so we can turn. Right, and then I'm going to get a rotating servo. Set the angle to 60. Like that. And then 1x4 block and place it like that. And then I'm gonna get, oh wait, no, move it forward like that, and then get a suspension spring, and then another one like that, and then I'm just gonna connect it with one of those what are they called, flat connectors like that. And then I'm gonna grab myself a straight suspension piece. And then this is optional, but you can put a friction pad at the bottom if you want it to be less drifty, because if you don't, it will like slide about the place, but it will still go about the same speed. But yeah, I would recommend it though. I'm just gonna copy this over to the other side, and yeah, that looks like it's working. Whoa, that went high, but yeah, it seems to work, so that's good. I'm actually gonna reverse one of these. It doesn't really much matter which one, and then I'm gonna grab myself two XOR gates and place them like so. And then select different legs for different ones, and then select the both. Oh wait, no, don't toggle. Put your preferred like forward control. I'm on PS5, so I'm gonna put R2, and then I'm gonna set the duration and pause on both of them for 0.15, and then for the top one, set the delay to 0.15. This should work. Oh, you might. Oh, yeah. We have to go remove controls for the servos here. And now, oh, my gyro's inverted. Wonderful. Now let's see. Wrong way. So I'm just gonna invert the output like that, and there we go. Very, very simple walker. I mean, for only having one servo, 30 mile an hour is pretty impressive. Like, you can adjust this to your liking. It's very easy to adjust. You can just like set the speeds, set the timing. Yeah. So very simple, very easy, very fast. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.